Hi, I'm Rashmi Pawar and I have been recommended from for SSB Varanasi. And in the previous video, I have been talking about how to clear AFSB. Now, in this video, I will be telling you about how to clear your AFCAT. Now, the practice goes hand in hand with the preparation of SSB. So the first thing is the reasoning part, because that's very easy part and you can easily sail through it. So that just require few previous year papers. And for maths, various videos are available, and also from the institute which I have taken coaching, they also provide you with all of the material. So yes, you can avail that. And for English part, I'll suggest you to go through the newspaper and work upon your reading skills, because that will not only help you in the written exam but also in your AFSB. And for the general knowledge part also, newspaper is important. So by following these tips, you can also crack AFCAT.